Big Cartel is a popular e-commerce platform designed for independent artists, makers, and small brands to sell their products online. The Big Cartel API is a valuable tool that software developers can integrate with to offer their solutions for online stores based on this e-commerce platform. The Big Cartel API is a RESTful interface that allows software developers to access and manage data from online stores built on the Big Cartel platform. This API uses standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, and returns responses in JSON format. Big Cartel API provides access to essential store data, including products, orders, categories, and other important store details. In addition, the API supports webhooks, which provide real-time notifications about events such as new orders, giving developers the ability to build reactive, event-driven solutions. Big Cartel handles authentication through OAuth 2, which ensures a secure and standard way of connecting applications to store data. Once authorized, software developers can use the API to perform operations, such as reading product lists, updating inventory, managing categories, or tracking orders. Big Cartel API integration allows building helpful tools that fit the unique needs of small online businesses. However, Big Cartel's unique structure may require separate logic and workflows. Using API 2 Cart to work with the Big Cartel API offers software developers a faster and more scalable way to integrate Big Cartel into their e-commerce tools and applications. API 2 Cart offers a unified API that integrates your e-commerce software with Big Cartel and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, OpenCart, and others at once. It also handles all the underlying API communication, so developers don't need to study Big Cartel's native API documentation or build separate logic to manage its authentication and data structures. API 2 Cart provides a unified, scalable e-commerce solution that reduces development time, simplifies maintenance, and opens the door to supporting many other e-commerce platforms through a single integration. Software developers can instead focus on developing their main software features, such as inventory management, order processing, and others, and entrust API 2 Cart to manage the complexity of this e-commerce integration. Contact us today and explore how to integrate your e-commerce software with Big Cartel API via API 2 Cart easily.